Hello, this is Aaron again. This is another spreadsheet that I created that is accounting for my time. So basically, I would take Monday through Friday, four weeks out of the month, and I would document down how many minutes I would spend on the different activities. So yeah, in this first week, I logged it, second, third, and fourth. And then I could show to my boss that, 17% of my time is going towards customer service, 16% towards SharePoint, 10% towards invoices, 9% towards fuel additive, 8% of my time's in meetings, store runs, fuel logs, and so on and so on. But it pretty much, all these guys down here that I had low percentage, my boss can go through and figure out that what was unnecessary for me to be doing. Store runs, okay, we can dictate that to somebody else because he definitely needed more time in customer service and SharePoint. So, there again, did that for 2 or 3 months, and then finally we started having a better grasp of what duties could be assigned to me. So yeah, anyway, um, it gave us a good perspective as to what and where to tweak my time. So again, please subscribe. Eventually I will go through and dissect this for you, and hopefully you can get some pointers and tips from it.